Hello friends. These days, prompt engineering has become a buzzword since the introduction of GPT-3 in the market. Let's dive deeper into this topic. In these videos, we are going to use a question-based learning model to acquire new knowledge. Question-based learning will assist us in maintaining focus on the topic and exploring it in greater depth. Additionally, it will be valuable for excelling in interviews and group discussions.
What is prompt engineering?
Prompt engineering is the process of designing and optimizing prompts for a large language model to improve the quality and relevance of its outputs.
What is LLM?
LLM stands for Large Language Model. It is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, algorithm that uses deep learning techniques and massively large data sets to understand, summarize, generate, and predict new content. LLMs are trained on massive amounts of text data, which can include books, articles, code, and other forms of text. This training allows LLMs to learn the patterns of human language and to generate text that is similar to human written text.
What LLMs can be used for?
Generating creative text formats, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, translating languages, answering questions, etc.
Can you name a few LLM models?
Sure, GPT-3, GPT-4, LaMDA, PaLM.
What is GTP?
GTP stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT models are able to generate human quality. This model achieved desired results by using a process called beam search. Beam search is a technique that allows the model to generate multiple possible outputs at each step, and then select the most likely output based on the previous steps. This allows the model to generate more complex and informative outputs than if it were simply generating the next word based on the previous word.
What is generative AI?
Generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses deep learning techniques to produce new content, such as text, images, or music, resembling human-created data. It relies on neural networks to learn patterns from existing data and generate novel content. Applications include natural language generation, image creation, and creative arts, but it also poses ethical challenges regarding fake content and privacy.
Can you name few models in generative AI?
Generative AI models are often based on deep learning architectures, such as recurrent neural networks, RNNs, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and more recently, transformer models like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and VQ-VA, Vector Quantized Variational Autoencoder. These models are typically trained on large datasets of existing human-created content to learn patterns and generate new content based on those patterns. Generative AI has a wide range of applications, including natural language processing, content generation, creative arts, and even scientific research.
What prompt engineer do?
LLMs are trained on massive datasets of text and code, but they can still be confused or generate inaccurate or irrelevant outputs if they are not given clear and concise instructions. Prompt engineering helps to ensure that LLMs understand what is being asked of them and can generate the desired output. Question answering. Prompt engineering can be used to help LLMs understand the nuances of human language and provide more comprehensive and informative answers to questions. Text generation. Prompt engineering can be used to help LLMs generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Translation. Prompt engineering can be used to help LLMs translate languages more accurately and fluently. Summarization. Prompt engineering can be used to help LLMs generate concise and informative summaries of long texts. Prompt engineering can be a complex and challenging task, but it is essential for getting the most out of LLMs. As LLMs become more powerful and versatile, prompt engineering will become even more important. Here are some tips for effective prompt engineering. Be clear and concise in your instructions. Provide examples of the desired output. Use context to help the LLM understand what you are asking for. Be aware of the LLM's capabilities and limitations. Experiment with different prompts to find what works best.
Please like and subscribe.